Hey, have you ever thought the beautiful website, the apps, the softwares, and this game, how these are made? Well, these are the gift of different programming languages. Now you may think, what actually programming language? In this video, I'm going to discuss with you what actually programming language, what it's used, and how you can make your own website apps using these programming languages. Let's get started into the video. Before going to understand what actually programming language, let's clarify this scenario. Consider a person A who can speak and understood only Hindi language, and there is another person B who can speak and understood English language. Now, how both person A and person B can make a conversation with them? Literally impossible, because person A speak Hindi, person B speak English. There is no possible of interacting. But if they hire a third person, another person who can speak and understood both Hindi and English language, then by the help of this third person, person A and person B can make a conversation with them. The third person will convert Hindi to English and English to Hindi. Simple. Now replace this example with computer and human. Now you know computer is a electronics machine who can understood only binary digits, that is 0 and 1. If you enter A, that will convert it into 0 and 1 form. Thing like 0 1 1 1 1. I'm saying that in this form that A will be converted first into binary digits, then it will store in computer, by which computer can learn everything. Means in the form of binary digits. When human wants to interact with computers, at that time programming language play a vital role. Let me clarify how. Actually, programming languages are nearly equal to human readable languages, by which human can give his command easily to computers, and the programming language converted it into binary forms, that is 0 and 1, by which computer can understood, and after processing the command, computer gives reply in binary form, and these binary forms will be converted into human readable language by the help of a programming language and show it on the screen, by which human can get his answer easily by the help of programming languages. Understood the role of programming languages? We have different type of programming languages. Mainly we have programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. Do you think there are so many programming languages, and what should I learn first, by which I can make my own website apps? Don't worry, I will make different video for this, which programming language is suitable for you and you have to learn first. Till I have discussed the basic of a programming language and give you some examples of a programming language. Now it's time to know which programming language are necessary to build a software, for making websites, to make apps, to make your own games, like this. Now let's start this part. For website making, we have programming language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. The basic programming language I'm saying. For making apps, mobile apps, we have Java, Kotlin, Flutter, etc. For making software, we have Java, C++. We can also use C#. There is a language C has. For making games, we have C#. I have said C#. This for making games. We can use also C to make games, etc. Do you understood? These are the different programming language where it used. Hey, today for that's it. In the next video, I will come with a new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care. Hey, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, by which you can get the future video. And if you learn something from this video, do like to this video and share with your friends.